Hey there, this is Sam, founder of CommunityHQ. As someone who's struggled with clunky platforms and hidden fees, and I built this tool to solve those exact problems. Let me show you step by step how CommunityHQ actually works. Let me go to the CommunityHQ dashboard here. You can see I'm here on the dashboard. I have already built two different communities. Both of them are those demo. Okay, so to create community, it's super easy. All you just need to click create button and then put the community name and the description. Okay, this can be a short description, and then click create community. It will create your community like this. Okay, and then from the dashboard you can visit your community that you just created. Let me visit the one I have already. Okay, here is it. So this is how your community actually looks like. Here you can see many different features like the post. Okay, so you can create post with the title, category, and your content. You can upload image, you can add video links, you can upload files, emoji, or you can create polls. Okay, so you can do everything, and we have the training videos where you can see every single features. Okay, so but in this overview video I'm just going forward. Okay, and here is the links. Okay, so you can see into the community right side where you can see your thumbnail for your community and the name and the description, and if your community is public or private or free or premium, you'll see this card here, and you can add important links, and you can set everything by using these settings options. Okay, you can see the title, subscription. You can set your community for free or premium. It can be recurring, it can be one time. Okay, you can connect your Stripe account from the dashboard, and all the payment will go directly to your Stripe account. No further hidden fees from the CommunityHQ platform. Okay, so and then you can add your Favicom logo, cover image to make your community match with your branding. Okay, and then you can set the community rules, gamifications, and links, as well as the post categories from the settings. Okay, so here is the post. Okay, so when someone click on the post, it will show the full view of the post. Let me show one of them like this. Okay, so even though these are the demo post, okay, so you can see the comments and everything is here. Okay, someone can like, comments, and everything. Okay, so let me go back to the learning tab. Okay, so into the learning tab you can set your courses. Okay, so when someone come to this page, if your courses are free, paid, or you locked with the gamification system, then it will show as locked. Okay, so how it actually works: when someone join your community and start to interact with your community, like make a post, like other post, or make comment or reply, then they will actually earn point. Okay, so it will work automatically and unlock the course that you locked for the different community levels. So we currently have 5 different community levels. So when someone join, they will be the level 1 members. Then as they interact with your community, they will earn more point and unlock the next level. Okay, and this way, if they get the level 3 in this case, then this course will be unlocked. Okay, so let me show you the lesson page. Okay, so here how this will looks like. Okay, so here it will actually show the progress of the course, as well as they can see the lessons. Okay, from the left navigation, and they can play video. You can add content like your videos, your downloadable files, your text, whatever content you want to add. Okay, so in this example I have simple video. Okay, so let me go to the members tab. Here's into the community. As a community owner, you will see the information like their email, their name, the date they joined, and the active. Okay, and from the community member, they would not see this information like the email or other contact information. If your community is a private community, then you will get the people who want to join your community. Okay, just requested to join. You will see the pending request here. But if it's the public community, then it will be automatically approved. Okay, and see the leaderboard. Okay, so the leaderboard actually give you the overview of the current members. Okay, so every single member see their current level, as well as the point. Okay, and it actually described here how they can earn more points, how can level up, everything. Okay, and here is the leaderboard. You can see it will show the statistics of all time, 30 days and 7 days leaderboard. Okay, and then about page. Okay, let me go back and show you the about page. Inside the about page, you can add your content here. Like if you want to add video, image, or the description, you can put it here. So actually the about page will work as your VSL for your community. Okay, so you can share this link into anyone who actually you want to invite, okay, to your community, or you can share with social media or whatever platform you want to target. Okay, so let me show you the preview of the about page. Okay, just in a moment. Okay, see, here is the preview of your about page for your community. Okay, you can add image, you can add video, people can play the video, they can read the about section and everything. Okay, so it will looks like this. Okay, so let me go back to the dashboard again. Okay, so from the dashboard you can see the community members like this. Okay, so you can filter the members also. You can filter by the community name. Let's say for this example, I have two different communities. I can filter them based on the community, okay, like this. And also I can search any member. There is the course section. From this section, I can create new course. I can manage course and everything. Okay, so if you want to create course, all you just need to click here and then put the course title, description, and select the community where you actually want to publish the course. If you have one community or multiple, okay, all you just need to select the community where you want to publish it. Okay, and then it will create course, and then go to the edit course option, and here at the course outline you can create your chapter, your lessons, and everything. You can map out your course, and then you can click edit content button. This will give you the option to put all your content for this particular lesson. Okay, so that's how it actually works. So you just need to, if you have videos, okay, you can put it your Loom, Vimeo, or the YouTube videos, whatever you want, and then you can put the custom iframe, or if you have the audio you want to use podcast or whatever, then you can also put it here. You can upload the file here, and it will be a downloadable resource for your community members, okay, who will watch this lesson. And also you can set the post visibility as dropped or published. Okay, so let me go back, and then here the course details. You can add your course thumbnail, course title, course description, and here from if you want to change the community, then you can also select it. And here you can set your course pricing. It can be the free course, it can be the paid course, okay, whatever, but you can set the price. If you want to set multiple different price for individual course, then you can also do that. Okay, so this is how actually the course system works. And here integration, you can add your Stripe. Let me show you just in a moment. Okay, so you will see your community name here, or you just need to click here, and then you will see your community option to put your Stripe API key. Okay, so this is really easy. All you just need to grab the API key from your Stripe, and you can put it here. You can set it test mode or live mode. Okay, so if you want to test your purchase or product, whatever, then you can also create set as test mode, and once you're done, you set the live mode. That's it. And in the payment page, you can see the statistics of your payments, and in the email settings here you can set the notifications. Let me show you like this. Once you select the community, and it will give you all the notifications that you want to enable. Okay, based on your preference, it will send the notification. Okay, so by default, so you don't need to set up anything for that. Okay, so everything will be managed automatically from the backend. Okay, so that's it for the CommunityHQ platform, and hope you enjoyed this. And this is actually a very innovative platform to make your community so easily. Okay, so thanks for watching. Have a nice day.